If you'd like to talk with us about any of our trainings, we would welcome the opportunity to do so. We just want to be sure and let you know that certainly before COVID came and changed everything for all of us, we obviously did a lot of training both on site, where we actually would send folks out to your location and hold trainings there. We oftentimes, throughout the year would have folks come to our campus in Omaha, Nebraska for training. But with our current situation and just the need to be flexible with the time demands that people have, or the time limitations, we've done a lot of kind of reformatting of our workshops. And so obviously what we're doing right now is all of our trainings are available online. So for example, our well-managed schools training is normally a 2-day training. It can still be delivered that way, or we can perhaps break it up into several days if that works for you. We've had folks that want to do trainings in the mornings and the afternoons, or over a course of several days, we can make that work. So the flexibility that we can offer to be able to do that, I think, has really been helpful for lots of folks. We certainly welcome the opportunity to talk with you about that. So even though we are doing the training online, I want to make sure that we let you know that the training still is being held with a live trainer. So you're not just sitting in front of the computer, reading a PowerPoint or listening to a recording. It's actually going to be with a live trainer. So the opportunity to have that interaction, not just with the trainer, but potentially some of your colleagues, or maybe even some folks from other schools and districts around the country, certainly I think provides a unique opportunity to hear other ideas and share thoughts and that kind of thing. Along with the live training, then there is also some kind of take-home self-paced homework modules that you'll be doing each day that will help facilitate the training, kind of a review of what we've learned that day, and certainly in preparation for what's to come. So long story short, our trainings are very flexible to meet the needs and demands that you might have, and the time limitations that you may have. And again, we'd be happy to talk with you about different training options that might be most workable for you. So certainly give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'd be happy to talk with you. Thank you.